Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can control the audio volume on a Panasonic TV at the same time whilst connecting a pair of headphones via jack or via cable. So if you just press the volume button on the remote control, as you will hear in a few moments, all I'm increasing is the volume on the TV speakers. And normally what you would do is go into the menu in the settings and then navigate to sound and find a setting here that would allow you to control the headphones separately. Now, if you're in the same situation as me and you don't have that option, what you'll need to do is actually enable the headphone connection first, which is slightly different. It's a slightly different setting that you have to enable on a Fire TV operating system TV. So let's go into the home screen and then navigate all the way to the right where you can see the settings. Then go to display and audio and then scroll until you find audio output. Select that and you can see the first option that we have here is called headphone jack, and the option that we currently have selected is disconnect. Select that, switch it to connect, and already we have a connection now going between the television and the headphones. And even in this menu you can see we have a headphone volume that we can control. Alright, so we're just going to go back into the video. In this case I'm just playing a video on YouTube. And if I go into the settings again, just like before, and go into sound, what you'll notice is that we have headphone volume. So I can, for example, set the headphone volume on 30, hit play, and maybe on the TV, let's just exit this part of the menu. On the TV, I can turn it down on 10. And this way you can control the audio separately between the headphones and the TV speakers. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.